Hi friends, today we are discussing about the best 4 thermal printers in India with its price. Number 4, X Printer. X Printer is a beautiful thermal printer manufacturer basically. This is 80 auto cut thermal printer, and let's see what are the interfaces there in the back side. In the back side you can find there is a power supply adapter is there. There is a separate adapter is there. You can connect the output over here, and here is the port for the cash drawer, and here is the port for the USB connection. You can connect this printer to your PC, and here is the LAN port also is available. And in the front side there is a feed button is there, and there is some indicators are there, and here you can press the button like that, so it will be open like that. Let's see how it will open. It's a beautiful way it's open. And here is the on off switch also is available. You can see one on off switch, and let's see the model number. Model number XPV320L model number, and the print speed is 200 per second. Very good speed actually, and looks wise is also beautiful. Let's see how it's inside. Let's open like that and see inside. Here is all the auto cut mechanism, print mechanism, everything is here, and you can keep the 3-inch thermal paper like that here. This printer is only will print a receipt or bill. It will not print labels. And this printer is cost in India near about to 5,000 to 6,000 Indian rupees, and maybe available in Amazon as well. Number 3, again X printer. It's a different model basically. It looks like different, a little bit the body design looks different. Build quality also is very good. X printer, here is the on off switch also is there. Compared to the previous model, there is again a feed button, and there is some indicators, everything is available. And here is the button. If you push it, it will open. When it will open, you will feel the build quality basically. It's open perfectly. I just keep my hand over here. Perfectly it will open. And here is the auto cut mechanism and the printing mechanism, everything is there. Let's see what are the interfaces there in the back side. Here you can connect your direct 230 volt power supply, and here is the again in this side you can see the cash drawer connection you can find over here, and in the exactly left side you can find the USB port also to connect it to your PC. And let's see what is the model number. XPV320EM, and the print speed is 200 per second. It's USB interface printer basically. It's a beautiful printer, and this cost in India near about 5,000 rupees, Indian rupees. And let's see how the paper is we can feed. Just open that, take 80 thermal paper, close it. Simple. And this will print only bill or receipt. It will not print any barcodes, only bills and any receipt, everything you can print over here. This one. Number 2, Evericom. Evericom is the beautiful thermal printer basically. Evericom thermal printer, compared to the previous 2 models, it is something different. The feed button and the paper indicators, everything over here at the top, and here is the on off switch. And once you press over here, this paper loading area, it will open, and 80 thermal paper you can put it over here. Here is the auto cut mechanism and the printing mechanism, everything is here, and body quality also is very good. Let's see what is the model number on this printer. Evericom EC801B, and print speed is very good on this. It is 260 per second. In the previous model it was 200 mm per second, now this is 260 mm per second, means the print speed it will be more fast. And what are the interfaces there with this printer? There is a USB USB adapter is over here, and here is the LAN port is here. Here you can connect your cache drawer. Here is the power supply. There is separate adapter is there. There is a power supply you can connect. Body quality, build quality, everything is very good, and it's very easy to install as well. This Abricom thermal printer. You can open like that. Put the 80 mm thermal paper like that. Just close it. It's a beautiful basically. This Abricom thermal printer, it will cost you near about 6,000 rupees in India. And the number one is Epson. Epson is the beautiful printer basically. Epson body build quality is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's, once we touch on this printer, you will feel it. This is the thing in Epson. Compared to all other printers, you will find push buttons on this Epson printer. This printer model number is Epson T82X. And what are the interfaces there in the back side? And here you can find there is a direct 230 volt power supply you can connect over here. You can connect your cache drawer. 9-pin adapter is there, and there is a USB you can connect it to your PC. And here is the on-off switch is there, the power switch, and there is a paper feed switch is there, push type switch is there, and here there is no such kind of switch to open the paper loading area. You need to open like that. Once you open that, you will find the paper inside. Let's see how the mechanism inside. There is AutoCut mechanism and the printing mechanism. Everything is in this side, and this is a paper roll location. Here your paper will stay over there, and there is a wheels, everything. You can see the quality is beautiful basically. See, Epson printer, and this portion also is metallic basically in the back side. And this is a plastic body actually, good quality plastic actually. This printer will cost you around 12 to 13,000 Indian rupees it will cost in India. It's a beautiful thermal printer basically, Epson T82X. So these are the thermal printers we have discussed today. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.